Most BMW 3 Series owners unknowingly destroy their cars with these 10 deadly mistakes that can cost thousands in repairs. Make sure to stay till the end to find out what you should never let happen to your 3 Series BMW. Number 1. Never ignore the oil filter housing gasket leak. The oil filter housing gasket is BMW's Achilles heel across nearly every 3 Series from 2006 to 2016, specifically those equipped with the N52, N54, and N55 engines. This $30 rubber seal eventually hardens and cracks due to the high operating temperatures of these engines, but ignoring it can destroy your entire engine. The gasket is located directly above the serpentine drive belt, which powers the alternator, water pump, and power steering. When the gasket leaks, oil drips onto the spinning belt. The oil acts as a solvent, causing the belt to swell, slip, and eventually shred. In many vehicles, a snapped belt is merely an inconvenience, but in BMW N-Series engines, the belt often wraps around the crankshaft pulley and is forced through the front main crank seal. Once the rubber belt fragments are ingested into the engine, they fall into the oil pan and are sucked into the oil pickup tube. This blocks the flow of oil to the engine, resulting in catastrophic oil starvation and total engine seizure within seconds. A simple $400 gasket repair, if ignored, can lead to a $10,000 engine replacement. Professional consensus dictates that any sign of oil on the front of the engine block or the serpentine belt must be addressed with an immediate oil filter housing gasket replacement and a thorough cleaning of all pulleys. Don't let a $30 part destroy your entire engine. Number 2. Never follow BMW's extended oil change intervals. BMW's recommended 15,000-mile oil change intervals are too long for timing chain health and engine longevity. These intervals are designed for warranty periods and lease returns, not for owners who want their engines to last 200,000+ miles. The timing chain tensioner relies on oil pressure, and degraded oil accelerates chain wear significantly. Look for evidence of oil changes every 7,500 to 10,000 miles, maximum in service records. BMW engines that receive oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles routinely exceed 250,000 miles with minimal internal wear. Those following the extended factory intervals often develop timing chain rattle, VANOS problems, and turbo failures by 100,000 to 120,000 miles. The difference in engine longevity is dramatic. Fresh oil carries away metal particles from timing chain wear, so regular changes are critical for longevity. Don't let dealers convince you that 15,000-mile intervals are adequate for longevity. This advice comes from manufacturers trying to minimize warranty costs, not maximize engine life. The cost difference over 200,000 miles is about $1,000 more for frequent oil changes, but this prevents timing chain replacements, $3,000 to $5,000, and engine rebuilds, $10,000 plus. The math clearly favors frequent oil changes for long-term BMW ownership. Number 3. Never use run-flat tires. Long-term, run-flat tires transfer impact energy directly to your expensive BMW wheels, instead of absorbing it like conventional tires. The rigid sidewall lacks the elasticity to dissipate the kinetic energy of impacts from potholes or expansion joints. This energy is transferred directly to the aluminum alloy rim and suspension bushings, causing expensive damage. Longitudinal field data suggests that owners who continue to use run flats in environments with substandard road infrastructure experience a significantly higher incidence of bent or cracked wheels compared to those who transition to conventional tires. A single OEM replacement wheel for an M Sport or high-trim 3 Series can range from $400 to $85 to over $700, excluding the cost of the tire itself. Never attempt to repair a punctured run-flat tire that has been driven while deflated. While a conventional tire may be patched if the puncture is in the tread, a run-flat that has supported the vehicle's weight on its sidewalls for any distance undergoes internal structural degradation. The heat buildup from internal friction compromises the rubber-to-cord bonding, making the tire prone to catastrophic failure. The most cost-effective approach for 3 Series longevity is transitioning to high-performance conventional tires, which not only protects the rims, but also reduces wear on critical suspension components like thrust arm bushings and shock absorbers. Number 4. Never ignore sunroof drain maintenance. The BMW 3 Series Sunroof Cassette uses an integrated gutter system that captures water bypassing the primary perimeter seal. This water is routed through 4 drain tubes located at the corners of the roof, exiting through the A-pillars and C-pillars. Neglecting these drains can destroy expensive electronic modules. Over time, organic debris such as pollen, leaves, and dust accumulates in the drain plugs or fluted outlets near the jack points, leading to total blockage. Once the drains are obstructed, the catch basin overflows. Due to the vehicle's geometry, this water typically follows the interior of the A-pillar trim and pools in the front footwells. This is a critical failure point because the footwell area serves as the primary installation location for several sensitive electronic control units, ECUs, including the footwell module, FRM, in the E90 and the front body electronics, FEM, in the F30/G20. The FRM controls essential functions such as exterior lighting, power windows, and the central locking system. Water ingress into these modules leads to electrolytic corrosion of the circuit board and connector pins. While some software-related FRM failures can be reset for $100 to $300, hardware damage from water typically requires full module replacement costing $900 to $1,400. This entire failure chain can be avoided by an annual 10-minute inspection using a flexible wire to ensure the drains flow freely. Number 5. Never believe the lifetime transmission fluid myth. BMWs sealed for life or lifetime fill. Designation for automatic transmissions is marketing designed to reduce warranty costs, not maximize transmission life. The transmission manufacturer, ZF, recommends fluid and filter changes every 50,000 to 75,000 miles, or every 8 years, not lifetime, as BMW claims. Transmission fluid is subject to shear forces and thermal degradation just like engine oil, albeit at a slower rate. As the fluid ages, its viscosity index improvers and friction modifiers break down, leading to increased internal temperatures and accelerated wear on the mechatronic unit and clutch packs. For the ZF 8 HP transmission, found in modern 3 Series models, the filter is permanently integrated into the plastic oil pan, meaning the entire pan must be replaced during a fluid service to ensure contaminants are removed. The mistake of ignoring this service leads to rough shifting, gear slippage, and eventually total transmission failure. While a preventative fluid and pan service costs between $400 and $700, a complete transmission replacement at a BMW dealership frequently exceeds $5,000. Don't let BMW's marketing destroy your transmission. Service it according to ZF's recommendations, not BMW's warranty-focused intervals. Number 6. Never skip battery registration after replacement. Modern BMWs utilize an intelligent battery sensor, IBS, to monitor the battery's state of charge and health. The engine management system uses this data to adjust the alternator's output. As a battery ages and its internal resistance increases, the DME commands the alternator to provide higher charging voltage to compensate. When a new battery is installed without battery registration, the vehicle's computer continues to apply the high voltage charging profile intended for the old, worn-out battery. This results in immediate overcharging of the new battery, which can reduce its expected 6-year lifespan to as little as 12 to 24 months. Failing to register the battery can also lead to erratic behavior in the stop-start system and premature failure of the alternator, which is forced to work harder than necessary. The registration process informs the DME of the new battery's capacity and type, AGM versus lead acid. While a dealership may charge $200 for this service, it's a critical investment to protect a battery that typically costs between $150 and $400. Many shops skip this step, setting you up for premature battery failure and expensive electrical problems. Number 7. Never ignore direct injection carbon buildup. With the introduction of the N54, N55, B58, and N20 engines, the 3 Series moved exclusively toward direct injection, DI technology. While DI improves fuel efficiency and power, it eliminates the cleaning effect of gasoline spraying over the intake valves. In DI engines, oil vapors from the crankcase ventilation system bake onto the hot intake valves, forming thick carbon deposits. Never ignore the progressive loss of performance, rough idling, and cold start misfires that characterize carbon fouling. If left unaddressed, the carbon buildup can become so severe that it prevents the valves from seating properly, leading to permanent loss of compression and potential valve damage. The industry standard solution is walnut blasting, where crushed walnut shells are used to scour the intake ports without damaging the aluminum cylinder head. Reliability experts recommend this service every 40,000 to 50,000 miles for standard vehicles, or as frequently as every 30,000 miles for modified or tuned cars. While the cost of walnut blasting, typically between $350 and $700, may seem high for cleaning, it's mandatory maintenance to prevent the engine from operating in a compromised state that accelerates wear on ignition coils and spark plugs. Number 8. Never neglect electrical ground straps. The BMW 3 Series relies on an intricate electrical grounding network to support its high amperage systems, including the starter motor and alternator. The engine and transmission are isolated from the chassis by rubber mounts, meaning the electrical circuit is only completed by braided copper ground straps. Never ignore these straps, particularly the main engine-to-chassis strap located near the driver's side engine mount. Over time, exposure to moisture and road salt causes these straps to corrode, often turning them green and making them brittle. A degraded strap increases electrical resistance, leading to slow cranking that's frequently misdiagnosed as a failing battery or starter. The most dangerous scenario occurs when a weakened strap fails completely during a start attempt. The high amperage current required by the starter may attempt to find an alternative path to ground through the transmission shift cables, throttle cables, or even the ECU's delicate internal circuitry, potentially melting components and causing thousands of dollars in damage. Inspection of the ground strap should be standard during any oil change service. If a strap appears frayed or green, it should be replaced immediately with a genuine BMW part or high-quality aftermarket equivalent. This simple $40 to $60 part is critical safeguard against catastrophic electrical failure. Number 9. Never ignore DISA valve and VANOS bolt recall symptoms. In the pursuit of an optimized torque curve, BMW utilized the differentiated intake system, DISA, on many 3 Series engines, including the M54, N51, and N52. Never ignore the ticking or rattling noise that emanates from the intake manifold as the DISA valve's plastic flap and retaining pin wear out. The failure mode is catastrophic. The retaining pin or pieces of the disintegrating flap can be sucked directly into the intake ports. Once ingested, these hard components can cause irreparable damage to the pistons, valves, and cylinder walls. rebuilding the DISA valve with an aluminum upgrade kit or replacing it with an OEM unit, $150 to $300, is mandatory preventative measure for engines approaching the 80,000-mile mark. Simultaneously, never ignore the VANOS bolt recall on 2010 to 2012 3 Series models, N51/N52/N55 engines. The aluminum bolts securing the VANOS units have a known propensity to shear off. If the bolt heads fall into the timing assembly, they can clog the oil pump or damage the chain. While BMW offers a 10-year extended warranty for this issue, many vehicles have aged out, meaning preventative inspection and bolt replacement is a top priority for longevity. Don't let these known failure points destroy your engine. Number 10. Never ignore high-pressure fuel system warning signs. The N54 engine, found in the 335i 2007 to 2010, utilizes a first-generation piezoelectric direct injection system that's as fragile as it is expensive. Never ignore the signs of leaky fuel injectors, which include long crank times, black smoke on startup, and a distinct smell of gasoline in the engine oil. Because these injectors are piezoelectric, they're far more complex than standard solenoid injectors. BMW revised the design 12 times in an attempt to improve reliability, leading to the current Index 12 standard. Never delay replacement when symptoms appear. A leaking injector can wash lubrication off cylinder walls, leading to bore scoring and total engine failure. Furthermore, never mix different injector indices within the same engine bank. BMW explicitly states that Index 11/12 injectors should not be mixed with lower indices, Index 1 to 10, within the same engine bank, cylinders 1 to 3 or 4 to 6. With a single genuine Index 12 injector costing over $500 and a full set exceeding $3,000 to $4,500, proper replacement is critical. Never turn to refurbished injectors from unverified sources. There's no verified method for refurbishing the internal piezoelectric stack, meaning these cheap alternatives frequently fail, leading to wasted labor and potential engine damage. These 10 mistakes represent the most expensive errors BMW 3 Series owners make. From ignoring a $30 gasket that can destroy your engine, to following BMW's warranty-focused maintenance intervals instead of longevity-focused care, each mistake can cost thousands. Remember, BMWs aren't unreliable, they're maintenance-sensitive. Avoid these 10 deadly mistakes, and your 3 Series will reward you with hundreds of thousands of miles of driving pleasure. The key is understanding that prevention costs pennies compared to the dollars you'll spend fixing the consequences of neglect. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.